Oh, sorry.
No, even the Enduro could not do gate 68.
Just before 60.
Oh, he did do it.
Look at that.
He did do it.
That's all you needed to say.
Yeah.
Even the Enduro did.
And all of a sudden it does it. Hey guys, Frank the Tank here. Guess what landed at my place? The Enduro. So I don't know if this is the first one in Canada, but it's the first one I've seen here in Canada. So the guy that actually owns it said it really goes pretty good, and you'll see in the next video that we talked to him on the trails and all that, but I found out something really neat with the wipers, that you can actually position them. So if you actually do some weathering, it's going to look nice because you're going to have the wiper blade. So that's kind of cool. But other than that, the only thing I didn't like, and even the owner doesn't like, is that the bumper angle is very bad. So it got hooked up a lot on the bumper here. So your attack angle is not that good, and plus the bumper is not that strong. I find myself that, just for me, shock seems to be very weak, very soft, but that's easy fix with more oil on it. But the flex on it is really nice. So it's got a good flex. Let's have a look under it. The lights do come with it, and the owner actually already put some duct tape in here to actually make it stronger, because the body is a very weak body. And right now he's got the short battery pack tray that's in there, but it does come with a long battery tray. Yeah. So everything is stock right now. There's a ready.
It's adjustable.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put more tension on the shocks. But what I'm saying is that it's
The dampening is
the dampening is not there. So I don't even know if they got oil on here. But you never opened up the shocks yet, eh?
No, no,
okay.
could be a very light oil too.
Yeah, could be very light oil. I find just putting thicker oil will help the performance of this truck. But what's neat also is that the dry shaft, you actually got aluminum part inside of it. So that's going to help a lot of the torque. It's got aluminum in the center, so that's kind of cool. It's got nice thick aluminum links, which is nice. It's got the rear steering arm, so it don't get in the way. So the one that goes between the two, it's actually in the rear. Tires seems okay. They were.
I don't think there's any foam in them though.
Oh, there is foam.
Was it?
Yeah, but it's very soft foam. It is not two-stage. I can tell it's not two-stage. But
It doesn't have memory too much.
yeah, they're nice tires. I like the axles. And he installed a servo winch in here. Good job. Now the mount comes with it. The dual mount?
It's basically just a bolt, and even the servo ready. So all you have to do really is just put the servo in and
Okay.
plug it in the third
So
channel.
that's a remote that comes with it. XB 130. Steering trim, exponential.
Almost done.
Cool. And you got your ready for the servo if you install the servo. And it does come with a waterproof box. It's water resistant. We're not sure if it's waterproof. So if it goes deep in the water, we're not sure. Sliders are decent for stock. I like now that most everybody that's coming out of them have the trays on each side. That really helps with putting electronics there. Just turn the wheel. So that's really neat. But a lot of people don't like the rear bumper because it's very thin and bends easily. That's an easy fix. Mostly everybody that has these or a custom truck, they usually change the bumper anyways. But it's nice. It's got a One thing I noticed on it also, that it does not have bump steer. So when you're actually pushing it all the way down, your steering is not moving. So the bump steer is nil, which is good. A lot of trucks you actually push down on it, like the Red Cat Gen 8. The travel is so much that when you pull down on it, the steering moves, but this one doesn't move. They've done a good job. They've done their homework.
That would be good in the snow.
Yeah, that's so
It's got a nice detail grille at the front. And you got mirrors also, which actually folds when you're trailing. Make sure they don't pop out. Nice truck.
The silver Pajero.
Well balanced truck. Hope you guys liked the trailing video. Jerome told me I could take it on the trail. Thank you, Jerome. Just like a kid in a candy store.